name is Jasmin, and I was a stay-home mom before for quite a while before I stepped my foot into IT. And as far the background is concerned, I have done travels and BCom before. One of my friends recommended me, who was also here with me studying. I would say like probably 7 or 8. As far as the quality is concerned, I think it is really high standards. Everything that I studied here, they go into details. If I have any questions, if I need extra help, it's always available. So as far as the content is concerned, it's good. The course itself is it's amazing. As far as difference is concerned, I have studied in George Brown before, and what the other colleges do is they just give their lecture and they leave, and that's their part is done. For NetSoft, they actually hold your hand, they make sure you're done. Like I remember doing Active Directory when I first started, and it was really hard for me to get through the labs, which I find it very easy right now. But then I would email the instructor and he would get back to me right away. And then we would have email back and forth, and then he would make sure that the problem is solved and help me through it. And if I need further assistance, I always have the help of the group here. Like we work in a group, we are not individuals. The whole group supports you. The teachers support you. So anytime I needed help, I can come in here and they help me through it. The instructors at here, they actually take the pain. They don't just deliver the lecture and leave the class and leave you hanging in there. If you cannot solve the problem by yourself, they make sure that you actually you can actually get through the problems that you're having. You actually understand, and like they always say, we don't let you go until we have imparted all the knowledge that we have. We transfer it to you, and which is very true. The courses here are intensive because we're trying to cover a lot of things in a short frame of time. And the more hands-on you do, the more technical savvy you get, the more confidence you get on the technology that you're learning. So the more time you give, it goes with everything. The more time you give, the more expert you get. The instructors here, they make sure that your assignments are done in time. If you have any problem, you can get back to them, then they help you through it. They send regular emails to make sure that your assignments are done, which they take the pain, which nobody else does it in any other college. The pros of signing up here is that whatever I've learned is actually, if I go out in the field, like I'm out in the field, I can say that I have the experience of at least 3 to 5 years, what the other people have already been working on. So I save that much time of putting in the hard work that I did for this year. But as far as the cons are concerned, it's just the long hours. You have to put that extra hour, that extra time. Your weekends are all gone at NetSoft, which is totally understandable. There's 1 year of your life and everybody has to go through it. Pretty much all the students that we have here are through the word of mouth. Everybody is through some recommendation, and so am I. So as far as the success stories is concerned, I think everybody I spoke with is successful, and so are in our batch. Everybody got a job, including me, in good jobs and well-paid jobs. So success stories are amazing. On an average, in the class, we would be here from probably, I would say, 12 hours a day, which makes it 24 hours a weekend. At home, I would say 3 hours or 4 hours per day initially, and then when you get a hang of it, you get comfortable with the technology, it takes less time. We have Tarek helping us with the resume from A to Z. He would tell you everything that needs to go into the resume, how to frame it. We have our group who's supporting each other. We have instructors supporting us, and in the interview prep as well. If somebody has an interview, we all get together either on the phone or doing mock interviews in the class. There is a lot of help available, and that's how I went through it, and I cleared my first interview. In terms of technology, I would say it's Citrix and VMware that I'm very comfortable with the technology. But this institute, it's not only gives you technological skills, it also develops your personality as a whole and gives you the confidence to go out there and prove yourself, and that's what I think is the best part of this institute. I think Citrix and VMware, they're both my favorite. Citrix was a very heavy product, but the way it was imparted to us, it was very fun learning it. Although we had to put in that extra hours, it was very long hours, tiring, but fun and challenging at the same time. And so was VMware. VMware as a product in itself is very interesting. And the way it was imparted to us, it was amazing. Every single aspect of VMware is so clear that I can actually say that I've worked on VMware for the last 5 years. It's just amazing. As far as my personal story is concerned, I have learned a lot in this 1 year from this infrastructure diploma course. Looking back where I stood, where I hardly knew anything about technology, and how much I have learned in this 1 year is amazing, and how they help you through it, all the problems, how they hold your hand, they take your pain. I think it's amazing. I would love myself to come back here and take another course if they have to offer. People who want to join NetSoft, I would just say just go forward, take that first step you need to, and you are in the right direction. There are so many success stories here, including myself, that you will be amazed how much you can learn here and how much growth you can see in just a short amount of time.